Right, lockpicking video 5 I suppose, and in a rather hasty attempt to try and be clever, I'm going to attempt to re-pick this which I have now picked twice, hence the red tape to remind me which side I picked. This is an ISEO 5pin Euro cylinder. I'm pretty sure there's at least 2 spool pins in there for security, but I've just beaten it twice, and I'd love to get it on camera, so there it is working with the key, and there it is fully locked without. So I'll see if I can get past these security pins quickly enough, although it does usually take 3 tools in about 20 minutes, but I don't have any intention of it taking that long. I'd much rather get through this in a minute or two. So I'm going to go straight in with the small hook, and what I've found is about the 3rd pin in, something that gives there, it binds straight away, and gives me I think a false set. Now I've gone into a giant false set at the front, indicative of a spool pin. I need to get out of that. I think I have to then change to the half circle, which I never see anyone using, but it seems to work on this lot. Go to the back, and you feel that just by pushing it in almost, you feel it click into place. So now I'm hoping that this is nearly open. Somewhere in here there's one more pin. I think I need to get through. Alright, that's got me past the security pin at the back. I'm fairly confident. So, are we nearly open, or have we overset some pins anywhere? Oh, and there it goes. I didn't quite expect to get that. That's the ISEO 5pin security Euro cylinder done.